My baby don't care for show. My baby don't care for clothes. My baby just cares for me. My baby don't care for cars and races. My baby just cares for height and places. Least Taylor is not his style, and even Lana Turner's smile. He cares for me. My baby just cares. Who knows? My baby just cares for me. My baby don't care for showers, and he don't even care for clothes. She cares for me. My baby don't care for cars and races. Baby, he don't care for height and places. Not his style, and even liberates his smile. Something is something he can see. I wonder what's wrong. Please, baby, my baby don't care for my baby just cares for my baby just cares for me. On va vous faire un dernier morceau avant de clôturer ce premier set. Et on reviendra pour un deuxième set.
Un morceau un peu plus rock and roll.
It could be a spoonful of diamonds. It could be a spoonful of gold. Just a little spoon of your precious love that satisfies my soul. Women die for that spoonful.
Yeah, I'm in the side for that spoonful.
Women love for that spoonful.
Yeah, I'm in to cry for that spoonful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now it could be a spoonful of coffee. Now it could be a spoonful of tea. Not a knife, not a fork, but a spoon, baby. Is that enough for me? Men lie for that spoonful.
Yeah, women die for that spoonful.
You know, they sigh for that spoonful.
They cry for that spoonful.
Yeah, yeah. That spoon, that spoon, that spoon. Come on, Mike. Yeah. For that spoonful.
Yeah, women cry for that spoonful.
Yeah, I mean they cry for that spoonful.
Yeah, yeah.
That spoon, that spoon, that spoonful.
Merci, nous sommes Marla and the Cool Chicken. On revient tout de suite après la pause.
Ok, on fait du bruit s'il vous plaît. Marla and the Cool Chicken permet 7. Si ça vous a plu, faites du bruit s'il vous plaît. Eh oui. Et vous allez me dire, il fait chaud. Vous avez vu comment vous vous